Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to give Snapchat Plus to someone. Gifting Snapchat Plus to a friend is actually simpler than it sounds, and it can be done straight from your iPhone or Android. Once you open Snapchat, start by tapping your Bitmoji in the top left corner, then hit the gear icon to open settings. From there, look for your Snapchat Plus section. You'll notice two options, subscribing for yourself or gifting to a friend. Tap on the gifting option and then choose a friend you want to surprise. You see different subscription plans, 3, 6, or 12 months, priced according to your region's currency. After picking a plan, just hit the gift button, and Snapchat confirms it will be delivered automatically once the purchase goes through. Finally, complete your payment using Apple Pay, Google Pay, or credit card, and you're all set. It's a quick way to share extra features with friends, and a little tip, double check your friend's username to make sure your gift lands in the right chat. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.